it's all about risk taking, right? Being willing to take the,
Calculated risk
yeah,
taking.
being willing to try.
Absolutely, my friend.
Yeah.
You kidding me? Then you get all the riches. Like Scooby Doo. If you don't explore that spooky cave, you're not going to find the gold, you know?
And that's what I when I tell my student when I'm working with actors on stage as their director, or my students when they're teaching for the first time in front of kids, and they're planning their lessons or they're creating their characters on stage. They're like, can I try this? Can I? Will you be okay if I try this tonight? I'm like, please try it. Please play with it. See what happens. Let's see what happens. The worst thing that can happen is I'll say, that didn't work. Let's try something different next time. Or if you're teaching a class, if the lesson falls on its face, you're going to pick yourself up, finish the lesson, and fix it for next time. So, I mean, that's the worst that can happen. So,
I reject profanity. I don't like slang. And I don't like when people are lazy with their speech and they hedge, where they do ums, ahs, okays. I mean, sometimes the best acting is when I confirm what you say, repeat it, and then add to it. We call that a buffer boomerang technique when people start asking questions where I need to readjust the tone, show active listening, and send back an answer to you. And so once again, these are the sort of in the moment soft skills that your teachers, your students, and their friends and family
yeah.
can see and understand.
Well, Richard, I would love to know what is a resource that you can recommend for the teachers and other artists listening right now that is a must have, whether it's a book, a website, a service that's available that they need to take advantage of.